Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can access your Adelante resources for Legado from the company Benchmark Universe. So thank you so much for being patient on this. The rep was not very easy to get in contact with, and Kelly Wilson and I both were kind of going round and round with them, but I think we have it set up now to where it'll work properly for you. So to get to your resources, you'll need to go to It's Learning and sign in, and then I have added it into your AM Homeroom 2021 course. All right. So there's a couple of ways that you can access your Adelante resources in your course. If you click the Resources tab, I have added it into the course here. It's this little blue button that says Adelante. Or I've also added it here on the same page where all of your other curriculum resources are. So your Go Math and your other pieces. All right. And I've set it up on this page to where if you click this picture, it's going to open a new window. And on that new window, it's actually going to open up a third one because that's just by default the way this tool works. And on that other page, all right, is where it's going to ask you some setup questions for accessing Adelante that you'll complete this setup process one time. And then from there on, you'll be able to access your resources. So a thing to know here on this page is in this drop-down menu, you're going to select Clifty Creek Elementary School, and then you'll click select and you're good to go. Now, if you're clicking this picture here and it's not opening a new window, it might be that your pop-up on your browser, on your device, is preventing this window and this window from opening. And you'll know that if you see a little alert icon up here where your URL banner is. And I have a guide that I linked here that shows you how you can enable pop-up so that it will open. Now, for your students, that might be the same issue that they run into, is that the new window to access Adelante is not opening, and it's likely because of their pop-up blocker. All right. So if you get signed in to Benchmark, you go through these steps, you select Clifty, and you're all into the platform, you'll be able to access everything. But know that you won't see any students in your classes yet because their accounts aren't created and they're not added to your class in Adelante until they've clicked the Benchmark icon and accessed it for the first time. All right, so it's only after your students have clicked into Adelante and they open that tab will it associate them with your class, and you'll officially see all of them in there. So my tip to you would be to take some time one day and just have all of them access it so that you see all of your students in your roster. All right, and they don't have to enter any other username or password. It just uses their It's Learning account to get them into the system. If you have any questions or you have difficulty, please let us know. And again, thank you so much for your patience on this.